Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about the distributive property. I'm on page 24. You may or may not be on the same page as I am, and that's okay. So notes that you're going to definitely want to make sure that you add to your notebook on distributive property are going to be the distributive property is where you bring the outside in to all things inside. And remember, I take pictures in my notebook and they are under the module section, the second one, under things that can be printed, and there is a tab under that module for the notebook pages. So you're going to bring the outside into all things inside. So when we're talking about our numbers, bring outside number or variable to all numbers or variables inside. So when we look at our distributive property, that's when we have something like A, B plus C, or something like A, B minus C. Remember, this is multiplication. So when we talk about our distributive property, we're using parentheses and we have something on the outside that we need to bring to the inside. So if I color coordinate this, so let's say that I have blue, purple, and then green. So I am going to bring the outside to everything inside. So I'm going to take this blue and bring it to my purple. So I'm going to say blue times purple, side by side means times, and then I'm going to say plus, and then I'm going to take my blue times my green. So blue times my green. So the way it looks is I have blue times purple plus blue times green. So I'm bringing the outside to everything inside. Way you can look at it with your letters like A, and I'm going to do B minus C this time, so I'm going to just change it to subtraction. So I'm going to do A times B plus, or sorry, there's a minus sign, minus, so I'm bringing that minus over A times C. So the way you're going to see it, the way you're going to kind of look at it, work it out, is if I give you something like 6 parentheses x plus 4. So I'm going to work this out saying 6 times x makes 6x. Bring my plus sign over. Whatever's in the middle just gets transferred over. And then I'm going to do 6 times 4, which is 24. Combining like terms says I can't put an x and a plain number together, so this is my final answer. Let's look at another one. Negative 2 parentheses w plus 5. So I'm going to do negative 2 times w makes negative 2w. Bring my plus. Negative 2 times 5, Mr. Grumpy says a negative and a positive make a negative. 2 times 5 is 10. Looking at one more. If I do negative 3 times 2w minus 4, I have to do negative 3 times 2w. So negative 3 times 2 makes negative 6, and I bring my w with it. And then I have a minus this time, so I'm going to do minus negative 3 times 4 makes negative 12. Remember we said you can't have those two signs when we're combining our terms. This is not simplified, so you won't see this answer. We have to keep it, flip it, change it. So keep my negative 6w, flip this to addition, and change my negative 12 to a positive 12. hopefully this helps you understand distributive property, bringing the outside in. There will be some examples coming soon to help you kind of look through, and some word problems to look at as well. Hopefully those will help you with some more examples before you start your assignment. Have a good rest of your day. Talk to you later.